and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about bulk vinyl. If you didn't know already, Costco have these fabulous bulk vinyl packs, and I just wanted to share with you exactly what you're getting and also what the cost benefit is. If you don't know who I am, my name is Paul from Scissors Paper Paul on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. Make sure you're following me on all of those socials because I share different tips, inspiration, project links, etc. on all the various platforms. As always, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and you won't miss out on my content each and every week. I'm here to share my Cricut knowledge and expertise with you so that you can master these incredible machines and products, and ultimately I want you to make beautiful things. So let's get into it. Cricut vinyl bulk packs from Costco. I'll make sure I've got the links in the description below as well, but it comes in black, it comes in white, it comes in permanent, it comes in removable, and you can also buy bulk rolls of transfer tape as well. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do some of my schoolboy maths so I can work out exactly how much this is going to save for you. But make sure you stick around to the end because we're going to have a little bit of fun at the end of this video as well. So let's get counting. Okay, so in each roll of the Cricut vinyl with Costco, it is 180 inches by 12 inches, so roughly 30 centimeters by 4.5 meters. So if we go 450 centimeters times 6, because you're getting 6 rolls, you're effectively getting 27 meters of vinyl. If we divide that by 30, because ultimately we've got like a 30 by 30 centimeter sheet of vinyl, so I'm going to divide that by 30 and I get 90 sheets. Now that retails for just under $170, so we've got 170 divided by 90, it's less than $2 a sheet. So this is a great value, great bargain. If you're cutting a lot of materials, if you're selling, I really think that you need to consider this pack. And if you're a Costco member, really it goes without saying. All right, so that's the maths out of the way. I think I got it right. Let me know in the comments if I got it wrong. But let's go and have some fun. Layton, where are you?